Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by checking device compatibility and power. Use an Android phone with USB tethering support and Android 9 or newer. Inspect the TV manual for USB network or Ethernet over USB compatibility. Choose a USB Type-C or micro USB cable about 5 meters long for reliable reach and minimal tension. Make sure the phone battery is above 20% and the TV has an available USB port. Close unnecessary apps on the phone to reduce data use and background throttling. Plug the phone into the TV USB port using the chosen cable and watch the phone recognize the connection. On the phone open settings, go to Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. Find and toggle the USB tethering option to on and confirm any prompts. The TV should automatically detect a network connection and display network status in its settings. If the TV does not detect the network, wait 10 seconds and replug the cable firmly into both devices. If the TV fails to connect, replug the cable and test a different USB port on the TV. Disable VPN and background sync on the phone to improve throughput and stability while tethering. Charge the phone while tethering to prevent power throttling and interruptions during long streams. Limit streaming resolution to 720p when using mobile data to reduce bandwidth and data charges. For persistent issues, consider a USB Ethernet adapter for the TV or consult the TV support documentation for RRendis compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.